Hey guys, it's me, Jessica. Today I'm going to be doing when Jessica Horn receives her squishy package thingy. Now, if you saw my previous one I just posted, it was called Revenge, when Jessica gave only one wrong thing to her and she did not like it, so she's getting revenge and she ordered a package. So let's just get on the video. So hey guys, it's me, Jessica Horn. So today I just got my squishy package. It's like 2 each, which is crazy, but let's just get on the video. So the first thing I pull out, is this putty. But it says Dr. Putties. I ordered slime and I ordered purple. It says pink. Let me feel it. Oh my god. This is so dense. I have to put all my force just to squeeze it. And I asked for a perfect bubble slime. This is not good for bubbles. I can just tell. This has to be an extra. Next thing I pull out is this dog squishy. I did order a dog. But look, oh my god, I didn't even see this. Look, the ear was glued on and everything. Oh my god, this is just a ripoff. Look, this is not even slow rising. And let me pull out the last thing. Sorry, the box lid. Okay. This peach. Look at this, might be my eye bloom peach. But I don't think this is an eye bloom peach. Oh my god, wrong side. Oh my god, look at this defect. And oh my god, look at this defect. Hold on. Look at this. Oh my god, and even look at this. Oh my god. This is just crazy. I think I got scammed. Well, I'm definitely going to be contacting her about that one, but it's okay. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and see you guys next week. Bye.